Ridge has believed there's life elsewhere in the universe for several years. Ridge investigates UFO sightings and other phenomena. We caught up with him working on his latest project, studying the moon.
Here is a very compelling case for the possibility of life on early Mars.
When scientists announced earlier this week that they believe life could have existed on Mars, it didn't surprise Francis Ridge.
I believe, and most of us believe that's been involved in this very long, that we're simply not alone. We don't have any idea what the intentions are, what they're up to, except that, you know, they're a higher advanced life form.
The summer blockbuster hit Independence Day is based on the Roswell incident in which an alien aircraft crashed and the U.S. government allegedly retrieved the craft and aliens.
He went out to the ranch to pick up this debris, and it was very thin. It was lightweight like aluminum, but you couldn't cut it, you couldn't burn it. They took a sledgehammer and hit it and couldn't dent it. And we did not have anything like that, not only in 1947, but we don't have anything like that today.
Time's up.
In Independence Day, aliens try to take over the Earth by blowing up the Earth's major cities. Ridge doesn't see that happening here.
I think that they probably have more respect for us than we do ourselves.
So exactly what do aliens look like?
The humanoid shape is probably a normal thing. The insect thing is they just look more like, almost like some of them look like praying mantises. They've been reported as like praying mantises.
The footage shows a moving object, casting a shadow on our own moon's lunar surface.
Ridge is now focusing his attention on the moon. He uses this telescope in his front yard. A camera is mounted on top, and he studies the video.
If ET is real, and I'm convinced of that now, I was probably convinced of that quite a few years ago, then the chance of seeing something going on between, here, say here, the moon is higher than going to an observation post or even going to a UFO site, because UFOs seem to have a control of the situation where they don't want to be seen.
Well, in case you didn't know this, Indiana ranks in the top 10 for UFO sightings in the nation.